Hi, what's up you guys? So I'm here today with my nephew Luisito.
Hi.
We're gonna be trying to do
slime.
We'll see how it goes. I think it's gonna be a total fail.
Let's start.
Let's start. What do we do?
So first we have to start with the glue.
Okay. So we're
we're gonna pour
the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Two of them or what?
Two glue. And now we're gonna pour it.
You wanna do one?
Sure. Let me pour one.
One cup?
2 cups.
Got the borax.
The borax.
Wasn't that somebody from Cat in the Hat?
I don't know. Yeah. Sounds like Lorax.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
So we got this cup to kind of measure.
Can I pour it first?
You sure?
Yeah.
Boom. Hold it there and I'll pour it. Ready?
I know. Looks like
Sugar.
Hmm? Okay, I almost gonna sneeze.
Imagine you would have sneezed and it, and it would have gone everywhere.
It almost got everywhere. Okay, now we have to pour it in.
Pour it in? You want to pour it in?
Sure. I will pour it in. And you do the other. This is 3 cups actually. It has to be 3 cups.
3 cups of this?
Not 2 cups actually.
Help! Director! We're working on a budget.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, now that's it. Wow. Let me see.
Another one? You said 3?
No, I said 2.
Another one?
Another one. Now we have to do
Another one?
Yeah, another
like
one.
DJ Khaled?
Another
one?
cup.
You don't get it.
Oh, okay. Let's do another one.
Another one. Okay, Luisito.
Okay, now we have to pour the water.
Okay. We got a bottle of water here.
It's one
cup?
actually. Yeah, 1 cup. Yeah.
1 cup or 1 bottle?
1 cup.
1 cup? Okay.
And
So what's going to be our next video, depending on how this one works out? Because this is probably going to be a failure. 1 bottle.
What about if we play I never had?
What?
I never had.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
What type of I never had?
I don't know. We're just going to ask questions.
I don't know how this is going to work out.
Okay, now we have to pour it in. You pour it in this
time. You want me to pour it in?
Yeah, you pour it in.
Yeah? Okay. Uh-oh.
1 more cup. This is how it looks like.
Oh my god, look at it. It's starting to get like, I don't know how. Another cup?
Let me see.
Look.
Yeah, it looks so porry.
Ew.
Now we have to...
Do I do another cup?
Yeah, let's do 1 more cup of water. Okay. Pour it in. Now we have to mix it.
Okay, now this is the question. Do you want to mix too?
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it.
You want to ask your mommy for your gloves? ¿Te vas a ensuciar?
Okay, give me that glove. I think I can put it. Okay, leave it. I got it. Okay, there.
Ready? No te lo eso.
I think I'm gonna need the other one.
Yeah? Okay. Ayuda.
Actually, that's okay.
That's okay. It's getting kind of like
Squishy.
yeah. I wish we had like a camera like up here so we could see it.
Yeah.
One day.
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
Maybe. Okay. Now we have to do another layer. Okay. That's good. Now, only one warning. You won't need, and if your glove gets wet, you're gonna need a towel. I mean, a paper.
The glove's wet.
The glove's really wet.
Ew.
Gimme. This is a dress.
This is a what?
This is going crazy.
Right?
Yeah.
You try.
I'm gonna mix it with you.
Yeah. Let me just start.
Okay.
Oh my God, Luis.
It's so.
No, we're gonna need so much more. I think you messed up when you told me to do 2.
Okay, now I'm gonna have to mix it. Can I mix it?
Yeah, but there's not too much to mix. This is it.
Okay, leave it.
Do you want me to add more?
No, give me. Yeah.
No, you don't want it yet.
Oh my God.
You don't want it yet. It's
Why?
wet.
It's wet.
Yeah, look at it.
Let me touch it.
No, it's nasty.
It has to be like that, actually.
It's not ready yet.
Not ready yet. Come here, closer.
I don't want to wet you.
It's okay.
Wait.
Now we have to add the food color. Let's add the food
No,
color.
Luis, it's not ready. I think we need to add more.
Yeah, we have to add more.
Look at it. Hold on, let me look at all the cuánto aquí. I think we need like 2 more bottles.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I need 2 more bottles.
Mire.
No sé.
Okay. Ya sabíamos que no iba a servir.
Do we have to start over things like this?
I mean, it doesn't matter.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Look at it.
Hi guys, we're back. We don't know what happened.
I think the camera just stopped, but
We were
we're in
having
part 2.
Part 2? Yeah, okay.
Part 2.
Okay.
So this is part 2, and the last one.
So far to the
It
center.
didn't come out. It's so icky. If you touch it,
God, why is it taking forever today?
let me pour it.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour the. Huh? So I'm gonna.
¿Por qué no nos ayudan para ponerlo aquí cerca? ¿O ayuda? Okay.
Okay, so
Ready?
now we're gonna.
1, 2, 3. Good. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
You want to mix?
Yeah.
Los guantes.
I don't know one thing.
This is getting hard, Luis.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Let me mix it first.
Nunca pensé que iba a ser tan difícil esto.
Okay, let me mix it.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna put my hands in first.
Okay.
I think I need that middle. No, I need the other one.
Another one?
I'm gonna put both because I'm gonna mix it with my both hands. Okay, now I'm gonna.
It's not that bad actually, Luis, but it's, oh
Yeah.
my God, no, that's
But-
bad.
Let me
That's
fix it.
bad.
Let me see. Oh my God!
Ew.
Ew, ew. Okay, one thing. You have to squeeze it, I guess.
It's bad. But hold on.
One.
No, this is just bad. His mom stepped it. Oh. Okay, what are we doing? Should we get rid of some of the water?
Yeah, let's get rid of this one in the water.
Oh, this is better. Thank you,
Let me
Abby.
touch it.
Oh, no, it's still bad, Luis. Are you sure?
Is it still bad?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, it's bad. It feels like slushy.
Ew.
Feels like slushy. Never
Okay.
taste it.
No.
No,
thank you.
I'm not gonna
What
taste
are we
it.
doing? Are we doing all the colors?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. So.
I'm doing mine first, then you do yours.
Okay.
I'm doing red and yellow.
Comment down below what we can do for our next video.
Ew, that
and
looks disgusting.
just put it. And like and subscribe. So now we have to do the fun.
Like and subscribe to whose channel?
To my aunt's channel.
What's your aunt's name?
To Jen's past channel. So now we're gonna have to put the colors. Well, which I'm gonna do now. Can I do it?
Yeah, you're gonna do blue and green. This looks disgusting.
And it feels like slushy.
Look at it.
It feels like slushy.
Yeah.
Ew. You okay?
It looks like blood. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to mix it. I think I'm gonna put that color.
Ready?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Ew. It's disgusting.
Ew. Okay, let me see.
Hold on.
Okay. I think
Hold
when
on.
we mix it, it's gonna be better.
That is horrible, Luis. That still look like a rainbow though.
It still looks like
It looks delicious.
It looks like it looks good to
Really?
eat.
It looks good to eat. Are you okay, kid?
Oh my god. No,
Want
it
the
just
more?
feels like slushy.
Mm,
Feels like slushy.
I could go for a slushy right there.
You should. Only if we went to Dairy Queen.
No, 7-Eleven. It's where is that? All right.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Here.
Okay, come here.
Te vas a manchar esto, no me va a regañar. Squish. Good. Okay. Yeah? It looks like green, like the Hulk.
Okay, show them.
Ew.
Ew.
It was right. Okay.
Okay.
Parece un tamal.
Oh my god.
Luis, the green took. No, it looks like something else.
Seriously.
No.
Let me see.
It turned green.
Okay, show them.
Ew.
Ew.
It's literally, look.
It's literally gross.
It's like a piece of.
Feels like. What does it look like? Looks like mint.
Like a piece of bubble gum?
Give me that piece of bubble gum. Oh my god.
You got slime all over. Sure.
Look at me. Okay, this is how it used to look like.
This is how it looks now.
And then, now. Ew. Mommy, have this.
Luis.
Siento. Okay, I thought that it was gonna be like a rainbow first, but it turned out it turned like a brain. Exactly.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they're.
I think it didn't turn out good at all. I think we didn't think about it.
I didn't think about it first, but I didn't know what to do first, actually.
Yeah.
Yes. Goodbye, Mark.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, and subscribe
Subscribe.
to Jen Pa's video and comment down what should we do for our next video.
Bye, guys.